Hey guys, what's up? How's everybody doing? I hope you all guys are doing good, staying safe and healthy at your home just like me. मैं तो बताऊं, अगर if I got the chance, I would have been traveling to the mountains, to the beaches for months and months and staying over there. But what to do? Nothing we can do much, as you know, literally the whole world and the country is facing the crisis and the wrath of coronavirus. Now you guys must be thinking कि why I haven't uploaded any of the videos for a very long time. तो अगर नहीं भी सोच रहे तो भी मैं बता ही देता हूँ. 2 weeks before I was also suffering from mild coronavirus symptoms, और मैं, मेरा छोटा भाई और मेरी मम्मी को भी इसके सिम्टम्स थे. तो मतलब इससे फुली रिकवर होने में हमें 10 to 12 ऑलमोस्ट 10 to 12 डेज लग गए रिकवर होने में इस वायरस से. सो इससे यू कैन इमेजिन कि अगर माइल्ड सिम्टम्स हमें 10 to 12 डेज लग गए हैं, तो वो जो सीवियरली इम्पेक्टेड लोग हैं इस वायरस से, उनको कितना टाइम लग रहा होगा और कितने पेन में होंगे वो लोग, है ना. और यही रीज़न है कि पूरे कंट्री में और पूरे वर्ल्ड में सबसे ज़्यादा बहुत ज़्यादा डेथ रेट्स हैं, राइट. तो माई फैमिली फेल्ट इट, आई फेल्ट इट कि इसके सिम्टम्स कितने सीवियर होते हैं. दैट्स वाई एवरीबडी इज़ रिकमेंडिंग एंड एडवाइसिंग कि घर में रहो, सब सेफ रहो, हेल्दी रहो. अनटिल इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट जब भी बाहर जाओ, वरना मत ही जाओ. स्टे एट योर होम, स्पेंड क्वालिटी टाइम विद योर फैमिली, टेक प्रिकॉशंस अगेंस्ट दिस कोरोना वायरस.
As the whole world is facing the coronavirus infection, let's discuss something about it. कोरोना वायरस एक सिंपल वर्ड्स में ऐसा वायरस है जो ट्रांसमिट होता है पर्सन टू पर्सन वेरी इजीली और सीधे लंग्स को इफेक्ट करता है आपके. नाउ ये वायरस किसी पर्सन के इन्फेक्टेड माउथ से हो सकता है या फिर उसके नोज से निकले हुए स्मॉल लिक्विड पार्टिकल से, while coughing, sneezing, speaking or while breathing as well. Current studies suggest that the virus spreads mainly between people who are in close contact with each other, typically within 1 meter. People may also become infected by touching surfaces that have been contaminated by the virus when touching their eyes, nose, or mouth without cleaning their hands. If COVID-19 is spreading in our community, stay safe by taking some simple precautions, such as physical distancing, wearing a mask, keeping rooms well ventilated, avoiding crowds, cleaning your hands, and coughing into a bent elbow or tissue. Check local advice where you live and work. Do it all. Maintain at least 1 meter distance between yourself and others to reduce your risk of infection when they cough, sneeze, or speak. Maintain an even greater distance between yourself and others when indoors. The further away, the better. Make wearing a mask a normal part of being around other people. Avoid the 3 C's, that are spaces that are closed, crowded, or involve close contact. Outbreaks have been reported in restaurants, fitness classes, nightclubs, offices, and places of worship where people have gathered, often in crowd indoor settings where they talk loudly, shout, or breathing heavily or sing. The risk of getting COVID-19 are higher in crowded and inadequately ventilated spaces where infected people spend long period of time together. Avoid crowded or indoor settings, but if you can't, then take precautions. Know the full range of symptoms of COVID-19. The most common symptoms of COVID-19 are fever, dry cough, and tiredness. Stay home and self-isolate even if you have minor symptoms. Call your health care provider for advice. If you need to leave your house, wear a medical mask to avoid infecting others. If you have a fever, cough, and difficulty breathing, seek medical attention immediately. Keep up to date on the latest information from trusted sources such as WHO or your local and national health authorities. Stay at the place where you get vaccinated for at least 15 minutes afterwards, just in case you have an unusual reaction, so health workers can help you. Check when you should come in for a second dose as vaccines are available in 2 doses. Check with your care provider whether you need to get a second dose and when you should get it. Second dose help boost the immune response and strengthen immunity. While a COVID-19 vaccine will prevent serious illness and death, we still don't know the extent to which it keeps you from being infected and passing the virus on to others. The more we allow the virus to spread, the more opportunity the virus has to change. Continue to take actions to slow and eventually stop the spread of the virus. Keep at least 1 meter from others. Wear a mask, especially in crowded, closed, and poorly ventilated settings. Clean your hands frequently.